we have built. So let's get started. So we have kept the UI very minimalistic, and so that the farmer could easily understand it, we wrote it in Hindi for him. So we have kept the registration one-click button registration where you can just Google sign in with his mail ID. So as soon as I click on my mail ID, it will register myself. So the first step is to add his inventory, right? The farmer will be adding his inventory over here. Let's say apples. This will be choosing the image of the apple. So I have image ready. The price is, let's say, 50 rupees per kg. Total quantity is 15. What is the date bought? Today is the date bought. Expiration date, let's select it as 8th. Select a category. I'm selecting as fruits. Quantity remaining is 15 itself. So as soon as I add the product, it is getting displayed over here. So apple, you can see I've added the expiration date as March 8, 2024. So the first thing is getting to see is his total revenue till now, how much money he has earned through the dashboard, total inventory count available, how many stocks are low items and are out of stock. So we have categorized the inventory in three categories: seeds, tools, and fruits. So this is the UI where corn is present over here with price and how much quantity is remaining and what is the expiration date. So he is able to track his inventory over here. Then moving on to the resource estimation, where we have called Gemini 1.5 API, where it is helping us to help the farmer estimate his resources. So let's say if the farmer wants to grow the crop type jawar in a land square meter of 55, let's say his crop type is sandy, clay, whatever you want to select. The season going on is summer. So I'll be sending a response or request to Gemini. The Gemini will be giving me a response telling me what are the resources required to grow a particular crop. In this case, is jawar. So below here, you can see the resources required for jawar to grow is the jawar seeds, fertilizers, manure, water. So what are the tools required? It is also giving that plow, harrow, seed drill, irrigation system. So it is also giving me instruction to how to grow it. So let's say if I want to have a tools required or fruits required or any of the seeds. So this will act as a marketplace basically where the farmer can get the market price and local bid. So it is giving me the price of Mumbai, Delhi, highest price of tomato, and these are the traders available who are selling it at, let's say Suresh is selling it for 400 rupees. You can contact Suresh and buy what the tomatoes from him. Basically, these are the traders from which you can buy. So these are the bids, specific bids of it. Now moving on, we also have analyzed his inventory based on the data which he has provided. So we are giving him top sold fertilizers, crops, seeds, season wise. So let's move ahead. It is giving me urea is the most sold fertilizer in the winter. So this data is very important for him to track how much in which season which crop seed fertilizer is the most sold. So we are also giving him the utilization thing. So soybean is the most least utilized in the crop, crop section. We are displaying in the profit analysis on which crop is getting the most profit. We have displayed the inventory in a 3D visualization form. To here the farmer can visualize his inventory. In this case, this is very 3D. So we have additionally did that. If he wants to move his tools over here, he can move it. So now moving on to the out of stock detection, where let's say the quantity remaining of banana is 1 kg over here. So let's detect banana over here in the inventory. So here you can see apple and banana is getting detected. So assume this as an inventory, and if something goes out of stock, if banana over and apple got over or got out of stock from it. So basically if I reload the page, the quantity remaining was 1 kg. Now the quantity remaining is 0 kg. Basically, this is out of stock detection, and the real-time SMS and a WhatsApp message is passed where the message like the product name banana has been out of stock. So this real-time update and tracking of his seeds, tools, fruits are given to the farmer so that he manages his inventory efficiently. Moving on, we have a feature where you can talk to your data. So let's say this is its inventory over here. These are the quantity remaining. What is the date bought? What is the expiration? So you can just chat with your data over here. If the inventory is very huge, you can just upload your PDF or report of your inventory where you can ask any questions related to your inventory. Now, let's say I'm asking what is the expiration date of corn. So you get a very straightforward answer key. This is your expiration date for corn and stuff. So basically, rather than browsing through all of your inventory and searching each and every product, you can just ask whatever question you have related to inventory, it will answer you. So moving on, weather forecast, which is a very important feature in farmers. We are predicting the next day weather, next week weather, what is the rainfall prediction. So let's say if I want to predict the weather for the Mumbai city, it will give me what is the temperature over there, what is the description and all. This will help farmers predicting the rainfall for the next week or day. So the next thing which we have did, if you have played Minecraft somewhere, so we are using the tool crafting solution. So let's say yeah, the wood is there, the metal is there. If we combine both, a shovel can be made or a pickaxe can be made. So in the inventory, wood and metal are available. You can see. So if I click on make pickaxe, it is asking me what is the quantity. Now you can see a pickaxe is added over here and the quantity got decreased over here. So this is a feature where in the problem statement they have mentioned in the last automated tool crafting solution. So we have covered the full problem statement, and additionally we have added all the features over here, starting from inventory management, resource estimation. You can talk to your data. We have used the out of stock detection, where with normal crude you are not retrieving or deleting the data, updating the data from the inventory. Basically we are using OpenCV to detect the thing, and we are using augmented reality to display the inventory in a very 3D map. So we have covered each and every aspect, ranging from analysis, seasonal analysis, utilization, profit utilization, and weather forecasting too. So this is everything about our project. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next hackathon project video. Okay, bye.